Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the European Compliance Academy course, GMP for Beginners. I want first to introduce you to the speakers. We have 3 speakers in this training. We have Gabriele Schönberger. She has been working for Boehringer Ingelheim for many years. She is a pharmacist and is a very experienced person in everything that relates to sterile manufacturing, and also an expert in quality systems, in validation, in qualification, in so many areas. Then second speaker is Heinrich. Heinrich has been working in the biotechnology and also in the blood industry. He is also an expert in sterile manufacturing, but also very experienced in auditing and in everything that relates to the GMP compliance. I am Wolfgang Schumacher. I have been working for Hoffmann La Roche for the last 18 years. And I have been working in particular with computerized systems, with the validation of these systems, but also in the area of audits of customers and suppliers. The agenda we will have for you is, first of all, an overview about GMPs, what is the basis of the GMPs, what are the different regulations. So a rough overview, we'll see what we have in this entire course. Then we come by Gabriele Schönberger to the topic hygiene, personal hygiene. Then about training, Gabriele will also introduce you training, what you need to prepare in order to show your training records to a health regulatory inspector. Next topic is documentation. Documentation is the soul of GMPs, and that is brought to your attention by Heinrich. Then next section are the specific aspects of a quality assurance system, and this is again Gabriele Schönberger who will introduce you to this topic. Then we come to risk management. Risk management is one of the very important topics in the pharmaceutical industry nowadays. We all have to do risk management, and I will bring this to your attention. Then we come to validation, qualification, calibration, and so on. All this what we find in the Annex 15, and that is then brought to your attention by Gabriele Schönberger. I will bring validation, including process validation, cleaning validation, computerized system validation, and method validation in this section to you. Then next section is audits and self-inspections, what you need to do in order to prepare for an audit by a customer, for instance, or a health regulatory inspection, or what you need to do in order to audit your suppliers. Then we come to packaging, storage, and transportation. Heinrich will present this section to you. And last but not least, we are going to look to falsified products. What has to be done in the pharmaceutical industry in order to avoid the falsification of products. And this is then explained to you by Heinrich. So I want to wish you a very good course. Please pay attention to the different sections. If you have questions, don't hesitate to send later on after the course an email, and we, the speakers, will try our very best to answer all your questions within a very short and acceptable time frame. Thank you very much.